So this is the start of the print. It's doing the brim first. Also, it's automatically taking the red now, if you can see that. So you can actually see it going through the tube where it's extruding it. So it's doing the purge tower now. If you can see that. So that's where we're at so far. So that's the progress so far, and that is after an hour and so many minutes. Is an hour and 26 minutes left. Right, so this is the end result. This is a little dragon which came out really nice. I still got to clean a few bits off, but it came out really nice. That was the purge tower. And then all the purge, all the poop. So quite a lot of waste, which I think next time I'll turn the tower down to 5 or 7, or maybe even switch it right off. Yeah, I'm really happy the way it came out. If you like the video, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and look out for my next video. Thank you, bye.